Ăn ốc or snail eating is a national pastime in Vietnam. Among many sauce options for sea snails, coconut sauce is always the favorite. It's a classic street food snack to have when hanging out with friends. Just put one in your mouth and suck hard until you're rewarded. Yeah, that's how they work. Let's learn how to make this delicious dish at home. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
You will need grated fresh coconut, Vietnamese coriander, some butter, garlic, and small sea snails of your choice. You can use upland or upcana. Firstly, mix 1 cup of grated fresh coconut with half a cup of hot water. Then squeeze out the virgin coconut milk. Then add another cup of hot water. Then squeeze to get the second press in another bowl. In a large wok, saute some minced garlic until fragrant, and then add the snails. Then add a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of fish sauce, and the coconut milk of the second press. Bring to a boil, cook and stir over high heat until the sauce reduces by half. Then lower the heat and add the virgin coconut milk. Simmer on low until slightly thickened. Then add the chopped Vietnamese coriander or rau răm. Add some coconut ribbons to add more texture and flavor. Stir well and take off the heat. You can also add lemongrass to make the sauce more fragrant. In order to eat the snail meat, you have to suck it out of the shell while making a loud slurping sound. It will come out in the sweet and creamy coconut sauce. So good. If you've never had it before, I would recommend trying once when you get to visit Vietnam. I wish you success replicating this recipe. Don't forget to share with me a photo if you do on Instagram with #HelenRecipes. See you then in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!